shit, huh? Oh, look at this shit. Hey. Shorty is clean. Hey, let's trade. That's a Supra. That's yours for real? Come to a car meet. Come to a car meet. Come to my boy's car meet.
Where?
He has it, I think, it's Ambitious Whips.
I live in Southern Maryland. I don't live up here.
Oh, you live in SoCal. Oh.
That's a nice car. You used to
Hey,
over here.
back roads, look, back roads. Come on, look. Come on. No? This joint is clean though, man. This a manual or the automatic?
Automatic. No, it's manual. It's but it's gonna be for sale soon.
How much?
They ain't came up with it yet. Trying to get that M4.
Oh.
So you looking at it, huh?
Yeah. This is the goal. This.
Go ahead, take the pictures. I was just fucking take the pictures. Just do it all.
Dude, you ever get people try to race you?
All the time. Until they get going, they're like, "Oh shit, man, what you got in there?"
I mean, you don't mess with a Supra. It's like the go of the scene.
I tell you what, when I had the twin back in '90s, the twin turbo, that
dude. Wait, the MK4? Hey, hold on. I need to do what you do.
No, I retired and doing this.
Hold on. You have a build page for this on Instagram or no?
No, it's work done to it, yes.
You have an Instagram?
No, I'm too old for this shit.
I'm old.
You old?
Yes.
We're gonna go back because she was just saying that it's too cold. I was like, what the hell?
It feels good. Be safe. Hey, take care of my car. Yo, homie is cool as shit. Oh, there he goes. Fucking. Here, what's up, brother? Come on, dog, damn.
Exit parking towards Port Royal Road, then turn left. In 600 feet, arrive at the destination, 5407 Port Royal Road.
This is one of the ones I was talking about, this car. It's clean as fuck. Is yours?
No, it's my boss actually. Yeah, it's his.
This shirt is freaking clean.
Yeah, it's nice shit. Straight pipe too. So.
Oh, God, I wish I could hear that cold start. Have a good day, man. Sheesh. Fitment.
Continue southwest, then in 150 feet, turn right.
Hopefully you can see, but this truck right here, if you can see that, like this truck, bro, this lady, she cannot drive for shit, bro. That shit crazy as fuck. Look at that. Wanna make me fucking crash. Bro, I should have recorded that last shit. The Asian lady was so fucking nice, but the Hispanic dudes in there was fucking assholes. Like, I understand, like, you don't like your job, but bro, I don't like my job either, but I'm not sit up here fucking being mean to people. That girl, she better not call me and ask me what I'm doing, bro. I'm gonna fucking ignore her. Like, 'cause I haven't heard from her. Why are you just driving like that? God, these people are so fucking stupid, bro. It's like they don't know how to fucking drive. It's like they forgot how to fucking drive. Then these dumb motherfuckers block the fucking intersection. Y'all motherfuckers better go since you're so fucking pressed. Come on, go, lady, what the fuck?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.